Hello guys, what's up? Look at this fog at my backside guys. So look, dito yan sa compound.
Fog shows up when water vapor, or water in its gaseous form, condenses. During condensation, molecules of water vapor combine to make tiny liquid water droplets that hang in the air. You can see fog because of these tiny water droplets. Water vapor, a gas, is invisible. Fog happens when it's very, very humid.
Look at guys, this. So much fog. Hello guys, what's up? Look at this fog at my backside guys. So look, dito yan sa compound ng aking pinapasukan dito sa hospital. Early morning at this maybe 7 o'clock guys. Look at the fog here. Yes. So ayan guys, oh. Ganito guys, pag nagpa-fog dito, halos hindi makita yung mga banda roon, halos nakukuberan sa guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Hindi nyo makikita. So look at guys, oh, pati yan. Tingnan mo. Halos yung hospital guys, so hindi makita dahil natatabunan siya ng fog. At delikado ito sa mga sasakyan, so kailangan nakailaw yung mga sasakyan para makita yung daan at yung may kasunod ba o wala. So ayan guys. Kaya guys, makikita nyo yung mga sasakyan nakailaw. Ayun o, doon, may nakailaw. Dahil kung hindi makailaw, kailangan para makita yung may susunod ba o may kasunod ka. So ayan guys, so yan ang hospital guys. So yan ang hospital, pero hindi na siya makita dahil sa natatabunan siya ng fog. So ayan guys, look at this one. Guys, look. Ngayon lumiwanag na naman. So ayan guys, meron pa ditong fog at yan, hindi nyo makikita guys yung banda roon kasi natatabunan siya ng fog. Yan. Yan guys, this is my friend. This is my friend Abu Ayed. Assalamualaikum. Ayan, dito kasama ko yan sa work dito. So, kalam Arabic mudir? Ada is?
Rim.
Oo. Yan. Dito yan sa area namin. Yan, tingnan mo guys, oh, ang fog, hindi makita sa malayo. Yan. Ayan. So ayan guys, hinawakan ng camera yung aking kaibigan. At ito guys, so, yung fog guys, hindi nyo makikita yung banda roon. Look guys, halos natatabunan yung area na yon. Ganito yun guys dito pag nag-snow, nagpa-fog pa na nagpa-fog. Yan. So ayan dito guys. So ayan guys, makikita nyo, halos hindi makita yung banda roon dahil natatabunan siya guys ng fog.
Ahlan wa sahlan, marhaba.
Ayan, thank you. Ayan. So ayan guys, oh. Dito yan sa may harap ng aking working area. Tapos guys, look, banda roon guys, so hindi mo makita yung mga dumadaan na sasakyan dahil tatabunan na siya. Yan. Lalo na doon guys sa may kalsada, halos hindi mo makita yung kalsada dahil sa fog. Yan. Tapos umuulan pa siya guys, umuulan. Ayan. Umuulan tapos may fog. Tingnan mo yan guys, so yung area na yun, natatabunan na siya talaga, hindi na makita. Ayan. Yan yung kalsada doon guys, so sa kabila. So ayan guys, meron pa rin fog dito at umaambon. Yan. Umaambon guys, hindi ako makalabas. Hindi ako makapunta doon sa gitna kasi umaambon, umuulan. So ayan. At 8:41 AM guys. Yan, may fog pa rin dito. So ayan, umuulan na siya guys. Yan. 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 So ayan guys, andito yung kasama ko. He's my friend, plumber technician. Make a love shout out to Muhammad Tariq. Yan guys, meron pa ring fog dito at this time. Maybe, what time now? Maybe what time? 9 o'clock. Still fog here in front of our working area here in Saratabida General Hospital. So ayan guys, this is my friend Muhammad Tariq. He's an Indian. He's a plumber technician here in the hospital department, maintenance department. So ayan guys. So ayan guys, makikita niyo pa po dyan sa likod guys, yung fog. Still have fog at 9 o'clock here in Saratabida. So ayan guys. Thank you Muhammad Tariq. Sinama ko siya sa vlog guys. Ayan na siya. Yan guys, meron pa rin siyang fog guys. Ganitong oras 9 o'clock. At umaambon pa siya. Ayan. Lumabas ako saglit. So yan guys, at this time at maybe 9:30. Still fog here.
3 months same this much in Pakistan.
Oh my god. You come here? Yeah, this is my friend, a Pakistani friend, Sabir. Look, so foggy here, this area. So ayan guys, halos hindi mo na makita yung bandang doon guys. So covered na talaga siya guys ng fog. So ayan o, ayan. Ayan. So ayan guys o. Ang kapal ng fog guys. O halos hindi na makita yung bandang area doon o. Ayan. Yan. Say hi. Look at the fog. Look at the fog here. So ayan guys, hindi na siya makita. So yes guys, at 10 o'clock. Still foggy here in this area. So guys, before a fog, now raining. Now raining.